What's that? Oh, right when she's done. We're trying to show you how good he is with the lawnmower. Now he'll get to go by it. And dogs. And we're getting wind gusts. So there's trash blowing around.